The Coverado Nappa leather seat covers use a combination of Nappa style and synthetic leather with dense foam padding to give front seats a noticeably softer, more supportive feel on long drives. Their sleek black and red styling with integrated lumbar support adds both visual flair and genuine lower back comfort, making everyday commuting less tiring. The tailored three-dimensional shaping helps these covers conform to most car, sport utility vehicle, and pickup front seats without blocking seat belts, side airbags, or buckle access. A fully wrapped design and waterproof surface help shield original upholstery from spills, dirt, pet hair, and sun fade, so the interior stays cleaner and looks newer over time. The material resists color bleeding and feels smooth yet breathable, so the seats stay comfortable in different seasons and are easy to wipe down with a damp cloth. Each set includes 2 front seat covers and clear installation guidance, and the range of available color combinations lets you coordinate them with many different interiors.